Well, 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 looks like the banks are having their way with the silver and gold market, but that's actually okay. I mean, whether it goes up or down, they're both good. Definitely we broke all kinds of support today, down below the 100-day moving average. So hey, I hope silver goes back down to $9 again, because I was stupid enough not to buy a lot more at that level out of fear, but that's exactly when you want to buy it. So it looks like it's going to be falling again, just because probably that gold sale, the default, and they had to put a bunch of gold on the market, maybe, I don't know. But one thing is for sure, let me get this back up here. You read this little article to you here. Looks like the silver short, the paper market, is a lot bigger than was once thought. $190 billion worth of gold, worth of silver, and the silver investment market annual demand is only 1.3 to 2 billion a year, and yet these two banks, I think it was the two banks, they sold 100 billion in new paper silver in the span of 2 years. 50 times as much paper silver as exists in the world annual physical silver investment market. So obviously the written and exposed about over the span of a month 130 million ounces of silver at COMEX to depress silver prices, which is only 1.3 times as much as investor demand. So this is 4 times as big as the Madoff scandal, and it's just another piece of the puzzle as to the fundamentals of silver. And it's inevitable that there's going to be a shortage. And let me think here. Let's see here. Yeah, they're going to have, I can't remember, sorry about that. I got to find out where I wanted to. Yeah, most of these people are thinking they're buying silver. They're just trusting banks and brokerage firms that have no silver. Real silver investment demand has therefore not yet really begun, because those banks have not bought any silver. Just wait. It's going to get absolutely crazy. When this big Ponzi scheme in silver is over with, this is 4 times bigger than Madoff. So it's not even the biggest Ponzi scheme out there. I'm not sure what it is. Probably the US dollar. So don't be disheartened by the drop in silver prices. Just wait for it to drop a bit and buy more. Just keep buying it. Buy the physical first and then trade. Oh, by the way, I went long the ZSL today because definitely flashed a buy signal. So this will be on this trade. If there's any profit, I'll be pulling it out of the market and buying more physical. ZSL is double short silver. I think it's double short. It might just be single short silver. And that's safer than just shorting the SLV, because if you short something and it goes to the moon, you have huge loss. So I'd rather just long this. It can only go to 0, whereas the loss of a short can be infinite. So that's always more dangerous. So long the ZSL today, high volume. Everything looks like the momentum is up. How many shares? I think I'm going to buy about at least 100 shares, maybe 200, and see if it breaks out. If it doesn't break out tomorrow again, then I'll exit the trade. So that's what I'm going to do. What else was I going to say? That's about it. You have some money in the market, go long the ZSL, and just just watch. When the price drops down, buy more physical at the lower price. Take your profit out of the short and buy more physical at the lower price. That's a killer idea, I think. And what else am I seeing here? I should just put this up there, but it's a short article. But that should do it for today. Oh yeah, I'm still doing my Mayan calendar thing. Kind of got delayed on that, but I have the cards all done, and I took pictures of them. So look at me, my custom slides. I already have those. I might just do a narration here pretty soon. Maybe I might not have time yet. Maybe later on tonight. But I think it's pretty cool information. Might give you more perspective on what's going on right now. So long the ZSL, and that's it. Oh, also, JP Morgan, which has the biggest short position on silver, interestingly enough, has huge credit card exposure, huge credit card. All these people losing their jobs, up to like 19.8% unemployment, real unemployment. They're living on their credit cards, and it's only a matter of time before they run out of money out of their savings to pay these credit cards, or if they haven't already. And there's going to be huge credit card defaults. So I think J.P. Morgan is going to be in trouble, and if they get in trouble, they may have to cover their huge short position in silver. So I'm also going to be buying a September put, which is an option contract. If you don't know about options, don't worry about it. I'm going to buy I'll explain that maybe in another video sometime. I'm buying a September put. It's going to be about $5.70 times 100. That's $570 risk, and it doesn't expire till September. So when J.P. Morgan fails, we might see a big upswing in silver. So let's not hope for it to happen, but that's what the math says. So that's what we do. So I'm going long. I had kind of a 10% jump in ZSL today. That would have been nice. Definitely broke out above resistance on heavier volume. You have to go long in those situations, so that's what I'm doing. And that should be it for today. Watch for the Mayan calendar thing. I think I got the math a little wrong on it, so I'm going to have to adjust it a little bit. But anyway, I'll talk to you later.